So today I'm going to show you how you can create your Facebook campaign for your Adsense Arbitrage website. So this is my ads manager. I'm going to create a campaign now for the first time. So you guys should follow me. So yeah, I'm going to choose my campaign objective. I want traffic, not app installs or video views. So I'm going to click on the consideration traffic, and then here I would name my campaign. We can name the campaign as anything. Let's say campaign one. And then yes, our access are used to determine the audience placement schedule and then the ad spend and we want. So we can set this to ad set one, and then the name of our ad, our first ad. So let's create an ad about in USA visa. Okay, that's fine. USA visa. So continue. Once I click on continue, it will create a campaign, which is not published yet, but is in draft. So we have to like edit our campaign, set the features we want, what we actually want for the campaign to do for us. So here I'm going to show you how you can optimize your campaign budget. I will advise you turn on your campaign budget so it's optimized to get you the best results. So in case you want to spend 15K daily or 1.5 daily, you can actually edit it from this campaign budget optimization. So it's advisable to start with 3,000 naira at first, which is our daily budget for ads. And then the campaign bid strategy should be set to the lowest cost because we are going to use Africa. The traffic from Africa are actually very cheap, so we are going to use the lowest cost for our ad spend. And then yes, that's just what we need here. And then we continue by clicking on next. This will take us to our ad set, and then choose where you want to drive traffic to. You will enter more details about the destination later on in our ad here. So here, link clicks. Okay, interesting. This is what we want. And then yes. So here, our audience. This is very important. Our audience view. This is set to Nigeria by default, but we can edit it. We have to edit it actually. And then once we edit, we delete Nigeria out of this, and then search for locations. We search for Africa. Africa as a continent. Okay, and then yes, we select the region Africa. Our reach audience reach is going to be very broad to increase further. And yes, that's fine. This one is fine. We can set the age to anything we want, but this is actually fine. No other changes to be made here, just Africa. And then yes, the ads placement. I don't like the recommended ones. I just choose manual placement for most of my ads, all of my ads in fact, and then I run my ads only on Facebook because I feel like Instagram and other ad placement social network is actually a waste of time. So I just choose Facebook only, and then um, Facebook newsfeed is the only placement I want. Yeah, this is an example of Facebook newsfeed. Just like how we scroll on Facebook and everything, we see ads. So I want that to show. I don't want it to show on stories or reels. So I'm going to remove everything here. Yes, remove everything. Remove everything. So we can have Facebook newsfeed as the only placement. Yes, this is fine. So that's all we're going to do on this page. And then let's click on next. Alright, yeah, so this is the name of our ad, USA visa. You can name it anything you want. And then you can select the Facebook page you want your ad to run on. Or you can select it here. You can select the Facebook page here. I have a lot of pages I can use here, but I choose to use Lencora because it's affiliated to the page. Okay, so and then yeah, this is where the main thing is. So we are going to set our ads. Whatever we do here would actually determine how our ads convert. So let's tell people about our ad. Okay, let's say um, USA visa for Africans, and then USA visa as the headline. USA visa as the headline, and then yes, we need a link here. This is the destination where when people click on the ad, it take them to this website directly. So let's check this website, this blog, and find something that relates to USA visa. Out of for US. Okay, okay. I think this is fine. You copy the link and then come back here and paste this. So this is going to generate a preview for us. This is how our ads will look like. And then yeah, a call to action. Learn more. This is quite not trivial enough. So we can change the call to action to anything we want, like get quotes, get offer, download, donate now. But we'll always advise you use apply now because it's actually an action call to action. Let me put it that way. So this is what we have: USA visa apply now, and then we can always edit this restriction. Or let's say apply for instant USA visa. So this African who wish to move to the blah, it's going to change to this description, and it's actually optional. You can leave it, but I feel like okay, just to like have very good click to it. It's fine if you can just edit it, just to like get people to click on our ads because it's what we want. Okay, I think it's changed already, and then this image is not really convincing. So I always update the image. I change images and use images that are actually that are very emotional. Images that relates to us as Africans because these arts now is actually targeting Africans. So I use black images as well. Okay, let's say um this is fine. This is fine. Okay. I got these pictures by searching for immigrants abroad, black immigrants abroad, and then yeah, I saved a couple of them and used them on my ads. Alright. So I think this is fine enough. USA visa for Africans. This shows that they're actually black people, and when people see that oh they are black people, they feel like okay this is actually legit. Let me click. And once they click, it takes them to your website where you have AdSense displaying all over your site. You understand? And that's way people are actually desperate to apply for visa because they feel like it's very instant. But in the actual sense that you're showing them a guide on how they can get their visa approval faster and all of that. So they end up clicking ads a lot on your blog. So once they click on this, they probably could see pop over ads and then they see different ads on your pages as well and they click. So the clicks actually converts to money for you as a webmaster. Yeah, can you see these are stuff like this is an ad and then our users, our traffic, they are usually dumb. I'll put it that way. So once there's something like this, they click on it. So that way they're actually getting good clicks, not from VPNs or anything of sort, but from real users. But in the actual sense, Facebook frowns at social traffic. So getting refer traffic from Facebook could cost us ads limits or perhaps ban from AdSense. So there's a way I actually avoid that by getting organic traffic from Google itself. So this is my blog post. Yeah, I come here, I copy, and then I go to Google, I paste my link, and then search for this blog post. So here, this is the blog post. I generate the paste link from Google. So we have something like this. And then when you click on this and enter, it takes you to the page. So that way, Google itself is giving us traffic. And then when you use this link for ads, it records as an organic traffic. So you're not getting social traffic in that sense. You are getting organic traffic, which is quite fine. And then that way you don't get any ads limits or any ad span. You can do this for as multiple posts as you want. So let's before we forget, we have to update the link in this post so we don't get ad limits. Always remember to like generate link from Google. So that way Facebook sends us organic traffic. And then once we've pasted this inside, we click on publish, or then Facebook will review and publish our ad. It's advisable to run 3 to 4 ads like this, or targeting different pages or your categories so you can get lots of traffic. Yeah. So that's how to run campaign that converts from Google AdSense to Arbitrage. In the next course, I'll be showing you strategies you can use to actually improve your earnings further. Bye.